In this example, I will show you how to start to work with the product structure. First, go to Start and select Infrastructure. Then choose Product Structure. The Product Structure workbench is displayed. This time, let's see how to create new document. Click New icon. The new dialog box is displayed. Then, let's select Product, then click OK. As you see, the new CAT product displayed. Now, let's see how to open existing document. Click Open icon. Double-click the file you meant to open. Now, you are ready to work on this document.